April 15th, 2021. Traded two things, Apple and the Spy. Apple. What I liked about Apple is that we were coming up on a pretty strong resistance overnight. So they gapped up. We had this resistance that it kept selling off of. Once we broke it, came and tested it twice. I was like, Apple might hold these gains. Got in around here. Got out about here for a 16% return on investment. For the account size that I was trading, it's only 20 bucks or so. But yeah, so that's that one. Then I traded the Spy. Initially, I was trying to buy. I was hoping it bounced off of this, so I bought here, stopped out, bought here, stopped out. Then I finally bought and it broke out of this, I guess you can call it a ascending wedge. I'm not too good with the patterns, but had that spike up and then continuation on up. So I bought here, sold here. Probably could have held, knowing it was going to come back and retest. My initial target was here, and I've been finding myself do that a lot lately. Cut my profits short, but hey, at least they're profits. So I might try to figure something out over the weekend to where I can stay in my winners a little longer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see, today I can show. So yeah, so overall for the Spy, man, it was only $8 because I lost the first two positions, and the second position was like $100. Yeah, so, and then 19 for Apple. Positive for the day. This is all off one contract, so it is what it is. Um, Once I go green tomorrow, because I don't think that I'm gonna wreck myself tomorrow to where I'm not green for the week, but once I'm green or pretty much break even till tomorrow, I'll bump it up a little bit for next week, and we'll start really getting into these options. Doing more than one contract, I'll probably do a max of 2% if it hits my stop loss. And I think if I'm looking at my math correctly, that'd be like a max risk of 520 bucks. So 520 bucks risk. Let's see, 27, 28% stop loss for 145 because I don't want to lose more than 2% per trade. Excuse me. And yeah, we'll take it from there. I'm excited. I mean, I've been sticking to, for the most part, I've been sticking to my plan. Yeah, I got out early here, but been sticking to my plan. This is going good. Starting out small is giving me an opportunity to think clearly for the most part. So we're gonna get that started next week. So far this week I'm up, believe it or not, 290 bucks. And that's doing one contract on options. And if you know anything about options, this stuff isn't expensive. Like, for instance, 46 cents for this strike price. That means I'm paying $46 for this strike, and I want to move deeper into the money so it can cost more. Eventually I can sell it. So the same thing with stocks and futures and forex. Ideally you want to buy low, sell high. So I want to buy it for a cheap price. I don't want to sell it when it gets more expensive. So if I were to buy 10 of these for instance, at 46, I'd end up, what is that, 460 bucks, paying 460 bucks for them. Now say for instance it moved all the way to 335. Shoot, that's $3,000. So you're making a good 2,800 some change off of that, if that were to happen. But I'm doing one contract, so it's 46 bucks. Moving it up to here, and I'll maybe get 200 bucks. But yeah, like the SPY today, I could have did pretty decent on that, but I got out of it. It happens. It is what it is. 414. I want to say I bought that for $1.29. The 414 is at 220. So just I would say about an 80% return on investment I would have made on that. But I only got, I got less than that because I had took those two losses. But lessons learned. I'm learning every day. I'm not here to say I'm a guru and know it all. I know some of it. And I'm learning every day just like you. So just trying to gain knowledge and trade and stay out the way. But I'm done for the day, and I'll see you tomorrow.